Hi everyone, Liz here, thanks for stopping by. So today I just have a quick unboxing from Add More Zest. Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147. I've been ordering some more bits to sort out my drill storage and my logbook. So I'll just go ahead and open this and we'll have a look together and see what we got. Okay, so it's a really big thank you because I literally ordered this one day and it arrived the next, which is excellent service, so thank you very much. Have some lovely tissue paper all inside there. I've got my card so that I can sort out my drill storage so that it's all nice and neat. These are what go in the spare storage. So, and then you just put your little stickers on the top, and that's 100 pre-cut. You don't have to buy them in the big size, you can just buy them a bit at a time if you're wanting to start your storage off. So that's those. Oh, I've got a little card here, Add More Zest, addmorezest.com there, that's the website address. And thank you for your order. The support you give our small business is very much appreciated. So that's lovely. And we've got the YouTube there, Etsy, Facebook and Instagram. Oh, I didn't know that they were on Etsy. I'll have to check that out and go over there and have a look. I am part of the Facebook group. I do follow them on Instagram and I do watch the YouTube channel as well. I will put all the links down below for you. Okay, and we have, what's this? Oh, the candy box. Yep, this is one of Rebecca's friends. So again on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok. Okay, and it's thecandybox.co.uk, and this is a 10% off code. Oh, very nice. Sweets, chocolates and hampers. Oh, we do like a little bit of chocolate. Okay. So I've ordered some of the bookmarks to go in my little logbook so that I can sort this out. I will show you it all once I've got it fully updated. I am listing all my canvases at the moment. So it's a little bit, not very neat, shall we say. It's a little bit scruffy at the minute, but yeah, I'm getting them all listed and sorted out, and I've got my bookmarks so that I can have a separation for each section that I'm doing. Okay, each of the bookmarks has a lovely little saying on it, which is lovely. I only buy craft supplies with a project in mind, or because they're pretty, or on sale, or I really want them. Yeah, that's a definite. You'll never find time for anything. If you want time, you must make it. Yeah, I could still do with a 48-hour day though. If you hear a voice within you saying you cannot paint, then by all means paint and the voice will be silent. And that's Vincent van Gogh. So yeah, that's a definite. I won't read the others out, but yeah, you can get them. There is a set of 3, I think, that you can get. I think that's the 3 zesty colours. You can get just the pack of 3. But because I've got so many categories that I've split everything down into, then I've ordered all 6 different ones. So, and they are like, I don't know whether they're laminated. They maybe are laminated, but they're quite a substantial piece of card. They're definitely not going to tear easily, and they will just go in your little folders. That's those. Excellent. I've ordered another pack of my stash. I've ordered another pack of the little listings for my stash, which is name and completed. I'm actually adding extra onto these as well, like date and cost and things like that. But yeah, I've used so many of them, I needed some extras, so that's a little extra pack. This is what I like about this system. You can order the extras. You don't have to buy a massive amount of stuff all at once and lay out a huge cost. Once you've got the book, then you can just add to it when you need to and just do smaller orders each time when you're ready for them, or you know, when you've got the spare cash to actually buy them. So yeah, I tend to do just little orders at a time now, which is brilliant. And so when they come so fast, that's wonderful. And then finally, I've just got some extra, oh no, I've got 2 lots of things in here. Let's have a look. So I've got my pre-cut labels to go onto my cards. So you can actually, there is a free download I think for these labels still. I'm not sure, you would have to check out the website for that. But they're pre-cut out, so you don't have to worry about cutting them out and peeling them off. They do peel easy and they do stick well. And they'll just go on the top of the card. So I'll have like, I don't know, marquees, teardrops and miscellaneous probably for each of my different colours. And I've got them green because that's what colour I did my special square storage and my normal resin and acrylic drill storage. So I've gone like pink and green at the moment. Very sort of summery florally colours. Well, that's what I thought anyway. So yeah, that will get those organised. And then because I have so many canvases coming in at the moment from various different places, I thought I'd better get some more labels for my storage. So yeah, I mean, you can print out your own, you can do your own, but I'm finding that the time it saves me from printing, ink costs and things like that, and the fact that these are just pre-cut and you don't have to struggle getting them off, the time this is saving me now, it's worth it to me just to buy them. Obviously it's personal preference, but again, I've just stocked up. I think I've got 5 of those. Yeah. And did I get 5 of this one, or did I just get, oh no, I've got some more there, look as well. I've got 2 of those, so that gives me, I think there's 54 on each page, so that like gives me over 100 to go with my 100 cards. And then I got some more of my colours, the pinks, which are the little round stickers to go on your drill bags in your storage, because I've run out of those, I've used them all. And then some more of these to go on my drills, because I have started to sort of put pinks and reds with a pink sticker, and golds and yellows and oranges with a yellow sticker, greens with greens, blues with blues, purples with purples, and then the silver goes on silvers and greys and blacks. So yeah, it makes it look pretty. What can I say? If you look at my round AB storage that I've done, I've got purple ABs have got purple stickers on, and then the yellows have the yellow, the black has the grey on it, and then we've got blues with blue, green with green, and then the oranges have the yellow on as well. So I've sort of colour coded them a little bit just to make them that little bit different, and it makes me smile when I look at them. What can I say? Okay, so just a very quick unboxing video. I thought you'd maybe just like to see what I've been up to and what little bits I've been buying. And as I say, excellent service. So thank you, Add More Zest. Thank you, Rebecca, Megan and hubby. It's a nice little haul and I'm very pleased. Okay, well, if you've enjoyed seeing this video, if you want to give me a thumbs up, it's always much appreciated. And if you want to come back and see what I get up to next, then if you press that subscribe button and the all notifications bell next to it, you'll be notified when any of my videos come out. So thanks ever so much for stopping by, and I do hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.